Hello and welcome. In this video, we will show you how to put together the simple Houseware Foldable laundry hamper with lid and removable laundry bags. Each part is labeled A through D. Please refer to the parts list to identify each component. Let's get started. Step 1. Straighten out Part A by pulling the handles. Part A will be the main body of your laundry hamper. You can extend Part A vertically by straightening out the internal flaps. While doing this, make sure you push them down all the way to make the hamper taller. Step 2. Insert Part B to the bottom of the hamper. Again, be sure to push the insert all the way down in order to reinforce the structure of the hamper. Step 3. Attach Part C to the top of the hammer. Find the site that has Velcro and align it on top of the hamper to attach the lid. Step 4. Insert Part D and attach them inside the laundry hamper. These mesh laundry bags can be attached by aligning the Velcro parts to each corner. You may now close the lid over the finished product. Your laundry hamper is now good to go.